Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to all present here. We are now gathered for the valedictory session of the 4th IEEE International Conference on Technology, Engineering, Management for Societal Impact using Marketing, Entrepreneurship and Talent, TEMSMET 2025, jointly organized by the National Institute of Technology Delhi and the IEEE Technology and Engineering Management Society, TEMS. Over the past 3 days, TEMSMET 2025 has served as a global platform for the exchange of ideas, collaborative research, and technological innovation, showcasing how technology and management together can drive societal transformations. As we come together to celebrate the successful culmination of this conference, we are privileged to have with us eminent dignitaries, keynote speakers, researchers, delegates, and organizing committee members who have contributed to make this event a resounding success.
As a token of respect and appreciation, we will now felicitate our esteemed dignitaries with saplings, a symbol of growth, sustainability, and lasting collaboration. I request Professor Dr. Ajay K. Sharma, Director NIT Delhi, to felicitate our chief guest, Dr. Ranjana Nallamalli. I now request Professor Dr. Hitesh Sharma, Registrar NIT Delhi, to felicitate our IEEE Delhi Program Chair, Professor M.N. Huda. I request Dr. Anurag Singh, Conference General Chair, to felicitate our esteemed guest, Professor Dr. Manjuwala. I request Shri Yatindranath Tarikere, Conference General Co-Chair, to kindly felicitate our Director, Professor Dr. Ajay K. Sharma. I request Dr. Anmol Ratna Saxena, Conference Secretary, to felicitate our Registrar, Dr. Hitesh Sharma. I request all the dignitaries to kindly come on the stage for a group photograph.
I request all the dignitaries to kindly take their seats.
As we now move toward the much awaited valedictory session of this international conference, it gives me immense pleasure to invite a distinguished professional who brings with him nearly 3 decades of experience in corporate governance and leadership. We are honored to welcome Shri Yatindranath Tarikere, our conference co-chair, IEEE TAMSMAT 2025. Shri Yatindranath Tarikere has dedicated 29 years to shaping and strengthening the landscape of corporate management and technology. He currently serves as director in 4 reputed organizations, including Aero Calibra Private Limited and Asima Softnet Technologies Private Limited, and has also contributed significantly to several other ventures such as Ademia Computing Technologies Private Limited and Dihi Labs Private Limited. His vast experience and deep insight into business and technology make him an inspiring voice in today's rapidly evolving corporate world. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Shri Yatindranath Tarikere to deliver the welcome address for this valedictory session.
Namaste to all. Namaste. It is an honor actually to be part of this conference, and I don't know how to thank Professor Ajay Sharma ji and Raj Singh Anmol and the entire NIT Delhi team for making this conference a really truly an international one. And we have speakers, international speakers. We have papers from 8 different countries, and we have reviewers to review the papers globally. And so it is truly an international conference, and I know what it takes and means to make it very successful. So thanks to the conference team for having an eye for details in every minor thing, and making sure this is a grand success. Thanks to the IEEE Delhi section chair Hudaji, and then the TEMS Delhi chapter, and the entire TEMS India team for making this a grand success. So I welcome you all for this valedictory function. Welcome Professor Ajay Kumar Sharma ji, the director of NIT Delhi. And one thing, when I have been here for the last 3 days, I must say that you go with a good idea, good thing, it is approved. You want to do this? Okay, chalo, do it. Thank you, Ajay ji, for without that support, this would not have happened at all. And as you know, this conference moves around this is an international conference, moves around in different cities of India, and first time this has come to Delhi, and this is the 4th edition, and this is the edition where we have maximum of 127 papers being published. So that is to the credit of the organizing committee to make this happen. We had received some 602 papers all put together. That is another record in receiving, and then IEEE has a process of screening the papers. So after going through all of them, what we could publish is only 127 so far. So again, I welcome the chief guest. I welcome the director, welcome Hudaji, and then everyone and all of you for this valedictory function to make this a grand success. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your warm and inspiring words. It is my privilege to introduce Professor Dr. Hitesh Sharma, who officially assumed the position of Registrar at National Institute of Technology, Delhi on January 2025. Dr. Sharma is a distinguished academician and administrator currently on deputation from IK Gujral Punjab Technical University, Jalandhar, where he serves as a professor in the Department of Physics. Over his illustrious career, he has held several key roles including Dean R&D, Dean Planning and External Programs, Dean Faculty of Applied Sciences, and the Director of IQAC, amongst the others. Recipient of the DST SERB Young Scientist Award, Dr. Sharma continues to inspire excellence in both academics and research. We warmly welcome Professor Dr. Hitesh Sharma and look forward to his continued leadership and vision at NIT Delhi.
A very warm good afternoon to all of you. Honorable Director Professor Ajay Kumar Sharma ji, Dr. M.N. Huda ji, Dr. Ranjana, our chief guest for today, Dr. Manju Bala ji, Dr. Targiri ji, Dr. Devanathan ji, Dr. Anurag, Dr. Anmol, today we have assembled in the concluding session of this very important IEEE conference, which is truly a multidisciplinary in all aspects. The organizers have worked very hard to make this success, and the results are already visible in front of us. The very important aspect of this conference which I observed is all efforts have been made to make the progress, to share the progress in science, technology, management, marketing, on the societal aspect of the science and engineering. If you see, these conferences are multidisciplinary in every aspect, as if you have to make social impact for any technology, we just cannot work in isolation. We need to have a sound background of all the subjects, or different people have to work together to achieve some tangible results if we have to demonstrate well. Very small example I would like to share how AI is impacting material science in a big way. In last 3-4 years, there is a very famous project, Genome Material Project, which is going on. And under this project, in last 5 decades, all material scientists, they have only come up with 20,000 combination of materials available to scientific community. Whereas this very same single project, it has demonstrated more than 2.2 million combinations which are feasible and which are available to all material science community. Out of 2.2 million, they are further shortlisted. 380,000 are very much, they can be synthesized. And once they have characterized those through modeling, now they have gone for the synthesis. And they have started the synthesis in last 6-7 months. They have synthesized 825 materials from those predicted materials. So entire work is being monitored by AI generated engines. So they are making the combinations, they are predicting whether they are stable, they are unstable, they are looking at their properties, then what type of properties we want, accordingly it is making the combination. And last step, how to synthesize those materials. The processes are also being optimized to have the optimum result, minimum wastage of material, and every time results can be reproduced. So the power of working together, because material science happens to be one domain of science, one domain of engineering, AI happens to be one domain of computer science engineering, and ultimately end product is whatever materials we have. So these platforms, such conferences, provide us opportunity to see each other's perspective and work on such areas where we can collaborate for our societal benefits. So with these words, I would like to conclude. Thank you.
It is now our privilege to introduce our distinguished academic leader, researcher and visionary in the field of computer science and information technology, our respected director of NIT Delhi, Professor Dr. Ajay K. Sharma. Professor Dr. Ajay K. Sharma assumed charge as the Director of NIT Delhi on 21st September 2021, marking his second tenure. He earlier served as the Director of NIT Delhi from 2013 to 2018, while also leading NIT Hamirpur and Triple IT Una. With nearly 4 decades of experience in teaching, research, and administration, Professor Dr. Ajay K. Sharma is a highly respected figure in higher education. His remarkable academic record includes over 400 publications, 12 books, and 8 funded R&D projects. He has guided over 40 PhD scholars and 50 MTech dissertations, and his research has earned more than 5,100 citations worldwide. We are indeed honored to have such a visionary scholar guiding us. With great respect, I invite Professor Dr. Ajay K. Sharma, Director NIT Delhi, to kindly address the gathering.
Good afternoon to all of you. Chief guest of the day, Dr. Ranjana, other dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, and dear participants, faculty members, and my dear students. It is my proud privilege to be here, especially on the validity function of this 4th edition of International Conference, that is TAMS BET. At the outset, I would like to congratulate Dr. Anurag, Dr. Anmol, and his team, and especially the UG, PG, and PhD scholars, because they are the backbone behind this conference. And during these 3 days, I think the various participants, they have presented their research work, and I feel that some of you must interacted with your colleagues, and definitely you are going to be benefited by this conference. And I believe that now we should not go in virtual mode, we should have a physical mode so that we can interact with each other and we can share our research ideas, so that we can, in a networking, we can work together and for a better research. At this moment, I would like to share that for all the faculty members, as well as the UG, PG students, as well as PhD scholars and my faculty members, that now the various Indian apps are there. Now instead of WhatsApp, you all install Aratai, and there is AI based tool, that is search engine, that is the Perplexity. So you have to install all these, and there is Joho Suite is there, the MS Office. So you utilize email is also there. So there are now various Indian apps which are already there in place. So we are not behind like Google and other things. And I would like to share with the students that you develop like YouTube, you have to develop iTube, so that it should be the Indian, so that we can all utilize the facilities of Indian apps. So with these words, again I would like to congratulate the students as well as the IEEE chair and co-chair for organizing this wonderful conference at NIT Delhi, and their future edition is going to be organized at Symbiosis, that is India, as well as in, I think, Dubai. So with these words, again congratulations to Dr. Anurag Anmol and his team. With these words, thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you very much, sir, for your insightful and encouraging words. We are truly privileged to have with us today our guest of honor, Professor M.N. Huda, a distinguished academician, visionary leader, and respected professional in the field of computer science and management. Alongside being the IEEE Delhi Section Chair, Professor Huda is the Director of Bharati Vidyapeeth's Institute of Computer Applications and Management, BVI-CAM, New Delhi, affiliated with the GGSIP University, associated with Bharati Vidyapeeth since 1997. He has been serving as the founder director of BVI-CAM since 2002. With over 3 decades of exemplary professional experience, Professor Emin Huda has made outstanding contributions to teaching, research, and institution building. Before joining academics, he also gained valuable industry experience as a software engineer, which enriched his practical insight into technology education. He has been an expert member on several prestigious committees of the Government of India, including DST, CSIR, and MHRD, and has been a part of the Academic Council of GGSIP University for an unprecedented 17 consecutive terms, a truly remarkable achievement. We are deeply honored to have him with us today. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in extending a warm welcome to our esteemed guest of honor, Professor Emin Huda.
Very good afternoon to all of you. Honorable Director of NIT Delhi, Dr. Jay Sharma ji, Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Ranjana, very learned dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, researchers, practitioners, delegates from various parts of the country and abroad, and students of this great institution. It's my privilege to be with all of you today afternoon. And at the outset, I would like to congratulate the entire organizing committee led by Dr. Ajay Sharma ji, having a very passionate team members, Dr. Anurag, Dr. Anmol, and many other faculty members for having organized this conference so successfully. A big round of applause for entire organizing team. I would like to dedicate my two panktis to all these organizing committee that जो सफ़र की शुरुआत करते हैं वो मंजिल तो पा ही लेते हैं, क्योंकि अच्छे मुसाफिर का तो रास्ते भी इंतज़ार करते हैं. Dear friends, I have headed almost all professional societies in the country, whether Computer Society of India, Institution of Electronics and Telecom Engineers, Indian Society for Technical Education, and then nowadays I am chairperson of IEEE Delhi section. When I travel in the length and the breadth of the country, people keep asking that why do we organize conferences or such activities, and that too the sir has asked that let's go on physical mode. I tell them that yes, this is the Google age, YouTube age, the information age, and in this particular age it is possible that one computer with AI enabled software is capable of doing the job of 1,000 many people put together. But despite all these advancement, even 1,000 many computers with AI software is unable to do the job of one extraordinary person. And the purpose of organizing such conferences are to bring all those extraordinary people under one roof to foster collaborations, foster networking, and see to it that what best can be done for the society and create much more impact for the society. So congratulations to you, and again would like to dedicate my 4 panktis for this particular spirit, that conferences in information age should keep on happening, and as far as possible in physical mode, because IEEE also promotes the physical mode. In only extreme situation the online mode is available. So my 4 panktis कि आशियाने से बढ़कर है फिक्रे चमन. आज का दिन देखिए, जिस दिन ये कॉन्फ्रेंस कंक्लूड हो रही है, कितना ऑस्पिशियस डे है फॉर इंडियंस, फॉर वी इंडियंस कितना ऑस्पिशियस डे है करवा चौथ का. वहाँ आप कंक्लूड कर रहे हैं. आई वुड लाइक कि हम साथ साथ ये भी विश करें कि every subsequent edition of this conference should be bigger and bigger, and the conference should grow leaps and bounds in coming years. The next year is happening at Symbiosis, both India and Dubai. At this moment we have done the confluence of the topics under engineering and management domain, and now you are making confluence of the 2 countries for the next particular version. So thank you so much with these 4 panktis के आशियाने से बढ़कर है फिक्रे चमन, आशियाना तो फिर बना लेंगे हम, एक उम्मीद की लौ सलामत रहे, 100 दिए इस दिए से जला लेंगे हम. तो कॉन्फ्रेंसेस होती रहनी चाहिए. Dear friends, what could have been a better topic? Now NEP started advocating multidisciplinarity. I am product of Aligarh Muslim University. I did from my 11th class onwards all my education from AMU, and we have been witnessing the advantage of multidisciplinarity in a university campus which is truly multidisciplinary. And see the topic of this conference, the all possible domains of engineering sciences and all possible applications of management sciences together. For what? For societal impact. What we have been struggling, that conferences are happening, research papers are being written, publications are happening in a big way. I am a founder editor-in-chief of an international journal which is taken over by a Springer. My journal has been taken over by a Springer. In the domain of information and communication sciences. Journal is an International Journal of Information Technology, and despite going through almost to 7 to 8,000 papers every year, we find very less paper which are going to have a societal impact. So the important at this moment is that the kind of the multidisciplinary which has been created with an objective of bringing the societal impact is much more important. The papers in coming days will not have any significance if connected to the paper there is no product or service available in the market. So my request to all of you, all the authors who are here, before deciding the topic to write a paper, rather prior to that, before deciding your MTech thesis topic or maybe with your PhD thesis topic, let's try to understand that how it can be translated for the society. You know, the USP of IEEE is advancing technology for humanity. It doesn't say that advancing technology for engineers, advancing technology for managers, advancing technology for humanities. We are talking that advancing technologies for humanities. That how can we bring technology closer to the people and network to the unnetworked, reach to the unreached, serve to the underserved people, and see to it that everyone should be brought under one mainstream. So my request to each one of you will be that before finally deciding a topic to write about a paper, let's understand what will be its translational value and how will we connect with some of the organization which may fund it, so that finally the paper, the idea of the paper, the theme of the paper which has been decided should see the light of the day, and the people should get benefited out of the idea using the technology and the management which you are writing and investing your time and your energy. Then only there will be a value of that paper, and that is where you see close to 1500 plus standards of IEEE is already prevailing in our day-to-day life. When we are talking about engineers, no engineering profession, when you are talking with at least the communication, can work without IEEE standard. That's the kind of pervasiveness and omnipresence of IEEE standard. And now IEEE standards have started entering into other facets of the life. It is not the only communication domain that IEEE 802.x, all these standards are available. If you are writing email, if you are writing using internet, if you are using WhatsApp, so IEEE standards are in a big way available to you. Even if the doctors who are using their electronic devices in their ICU, like ventilators, like other kind of devices, and the devices need to communicate with other devices, IEEE standard is available. So how these standards have come up? These standards have been originated out of such programs, such meetings and such conferences. So the floor is open, the kind of the opportunity which is open, come up, who knows that this conference will give us 2-3 standards to the IEEE. That's the kind of the expectations with the IEEE. Now IEEE has started entering into day-to-day life. You talk of a local, maybe a coffee machine at local institution, to an international space station. You talk about a smart design of maybe in a smart city, to a kind of any of the other communication system, or maybe in a smart city. Everywhere IEEE standard is working. So come, join in big way. Those who are not members of IEEE, I will request them that join this journey, which is the body of the largest professional in the world, with this passion, with this commitment that we are coming in this society. We are coming for such kind of technical work to serve to the society, to take the mission of IEEE, advancing technology for humanity in a much more strengthened way. जिसके लिए बशीर बद्र की एक बड़ी गजल की 4 पंक्तियां मैं हमेशा सुनाना पसंद करता हूं कि आंखों में रहा दिल में उतर कर नहीं देखा. Whatever you are doing in life, do it with your passion, do it with your commitment, so that the people should get benefited. That is what I like the idea of the topic that societal impact, that's very important. कि आंखों में रहा, दिल में उतर कर नहीं देखा, कश्ती के मुसाफिर ने समंदर नहीं देखा, जब से चला हूँ मंजिल पे नजर है, राह में कभी मुड़कर मील का पत्थर नहीं देखा. 1500 स्टैंडर्ड IEEE के चल रहे हैं. हम सब, not even a common man can say that I am not using IEEE standard. अगर वो सिंपल अपना फीचर फोन यूज कर रहे और फीचर फोन की बैटरी चार्ज करने के लिए कोई तो एडाप्टर यूज कर रहे हैं, that adapter is governed by IEEE standard 1725, which decides how much ampere current should be given to that battery and how to ensure the reliability and the safety and security of that mobile device, etc., etc. So let's join this journey. It's a very, 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 very noble journey to bring technology for the people and come forward with this passion, with this commitment that we people are basically to serve to the society, and that's how this conference is being concluded. I once again would like to congratulate the entire organizing committee who brought this conference from different domains of engineering and management under one platform, and I'm quite optimistic that the future conferences will have much more better impact, and that this conference will set a benchmark for all of them. That the kind of I had attended first day as well and attending third day as well. Dear friends, finally the success or failure of any of the program will not be judged by multiple factors which we keep on discussing. How good the conference was, how good the food was, how delicious the food was, how organized the sessions were. Rather, at the end, the success or failure of any of the program will be judged that what was the takeaway. Did this conference inspire some or other person? If it inspires some or other person to do something differently than what they have been doing earlier, that probably will be the success of this conference. So let's commit when we go out of this conference, carry the message, carry the kind of the message which the conference organizers have tried to generate out of this successful organization, and change the way you have been doing anything earlier. That will be considered as a success of this particular conference and is a major takeaway out of this conference. Would like to conclude on this note that whatever we do in life is probably only for the purpose that to bring light arena from darkness. हम माँ सरस्वती का आशीर्वाद लेते हैं जब भी यही कहते हैं कि हमें शक्ति दे अंधकार से उजाले में आने के लिए, अज्ञानता से ज्ञानता में आने के लिए, जिसको मैं हमेशा एक पोएटिक लैंग्वेज में कहता हूँ कि फ्रॉम डार्कनेस टू लाइट एंड फ्रॉम इग्नोरेंस टू नॉलेज, जिसे AI का ज़माना है, एनोलॉजी के साथ कनेक्ट किया गया है इस 4 पंक्तियों में कि उजाले अपनी आंखों में महफूजी कर लो, मीन्स की पावर ऑफ नॉलेज. उजाला मीन्स पावर ऑफ नॉलेज एज इंटीग्रल पार्ट ऑफ योर पर्सनैलिटी. Otherwise, in absence of knowledge, we will be finding it difficult to face the challenges which are going to come up. Sir has just now informed and rather advocated that start using Indian apps because multiple challenges are coming in a big way. The madam is there for the DRDO will tell you that they have already stopped using many of the external apps and many of the external even the email servers, etc. So start using it. The challenges are coming in a big way. We all are educated people and we know the challenges in last 2-3 years are also coming from external factors in a much bigger way. So there is a need to come out in a big way and apply our own Indianized and indigenous systems. So उजाले, power of knowledge. Otherwise challenges are very high. उजाले अपनी आंखों में महफूज कर लो, बड़ी दूर तक रात ही रात होगी, मुसाफिर हो तुम भी, मुसाफिर हैं हम भी, किसी मोड़ पे फिर मुलाकात होगी. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best. God bless you all.
Thank you very much, sir, for your inspiring and thought-provoking words. Education is the most powerful weapon that can transform the world, and our esteemed guest for today truly embodies this belief. We are deeply honored to welcome Professor Dr. Manju Bala, the Distinguished Director of Khalsa College of Engineering and Technology, Amritsar, with over 2 decades of rich experience in academia and administration. With over 2 decades of rich experience in academia and administration, Dr. Bala has been a driving force in empowering youth through innovation-oriented and value-based education. A prolific researcher, Dr. Bala has published more than 175 research papers in reputed international and national journals, contributed to 4 book chapters, and holds 9 patents to her credit. She has successfully guided 7 PhD scholars and supervised 38 MTech theses, thereby contributing significantly to the advancement of research and innovation in her field. Her remarkable leadership has guided Khalsa College towards inclusive growth and excellence, offering opportunities for every learner to thrive. A recipient of the Bharat Jyoti Award and the Best Teacher Award by the Indian Society for Technical Education, she continues to inspire the future engineers and leaders, especially young women, to break barriers and shape a better tomorrow. Dear audience, please join me in giving a warm welcome to Professor Dr. Manju Bala, an educationist, visionary and change maker, as our esteemed guest for today's session.
It is our distinct honor to welcome our chief guest, Dr. N. Ranjana, Director of the Directorate of Futuristic Technology Management, DRDO, Government of India. Dr. N. Ranjana is a visionary scientist who has played a key role in driving India's defense and technological innovation ecosystem. Her leadership in futuristic technology management, innovation strategy, and research collaboration has greatly contributed to advancing India's strategic capabilities. She continues to guide the nation's pursuit of technological excellence through her work at DRDO, fostering partnerships between government, academia, and industry. We are truly privileged to have her with us today. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Dr. N. Ranjana. Ma'am, please address the gathering.
Good afternoon. That was nice of you to have introduced me. Thank you. My host today, I'm very happy to be here. Not just today, anytime I'm in a college, I'm very happy. Number one, I'm happy to be with the students who are youngsters. And number two, I'm also happy to be around teachers with whom we get to the baseline, yes, we were the ones once upon a time taking the students' role. And they set us right if we are going wrong anywhere, and hats off to all the teachers who take this, responsibility on themselves to bring a generation which is going to make a change. My greetings to Dr. Yatindranath Tarikare, General Co-Chair of the conference, Dr. Hitesh Sharma, Dr. Professor Ajay Kumar Sharma, Director NIT Delhi. In fact, I was here a year back and I did not have opportunity to meet him, but today I am very fortunate to have met you, sir. Nice. And then Professor M.N. Hoda, IEEE Delhi chapter, or some surrounding chapters also he is taking care. Professor Manju Bala, a good opportune moment to have met you. Also, Dr. Anurag Singh, who has invited me here and has been very persistent in coordinating with us. The entire DRDO, Dr. Anmol Ratan, who has been also one of the key member of organizing this conference. My colleague, Shishir Srivastava, scientist F from DRDO. I just brought him in because I want all of them to really experience the kind of thrill that we feel when we are in an educational institute. The conference has gone well. I think a lot of statistics has been told. Takes me back 30 years back when I presented my first paper, very scared, in an IEEE conference way back at Indore when I was doing my MSc. But then, that's the journey for everyone to take on, and I think you all will be fine. Now, only thing I'm just curious about is how many papers are from students and how many papers from the faculty. I hope it's a good mix of faculty and the students' paper. And where I come about is, I think Professor Hoda has very well brought out, explicitly brought out. Each paper has to have a practical relevance. Theoretical sciences are important, but finally the theoretical science must lead to some application where you can really utilize it. Director NIT talked about Aratai. Within 2 minutes, I've just now downloaded and enabled it. And we have already moved to the Zoho mail, which is the officially Government of India's mail body today, and in a big way on X, Amit Shah Saab has asked us that we are proudly moving to the Indian platforms. That's a way to go. Somebody talked about the iTube and all. Yes, the ambition is good. Apps are easy to make, but it's the data that you need to really now take care of. The kind of data that is going to generate, we are 1/6 or 1/7 of the entire population of the world, and all the servers across the world are being served by the Indian data that they are holding. Now, if we have to hold that 1.4 billion people data, you have to think of the scale that you are looking at. And that's the imagination that you have to run. All your algorithms should be optimized to take millions and billions of parameters, not a small paper here. So whenever you write a paper, and I think it will be a repetition because that's what I had in my mind, that whenever you write something, do something, you must think the end goal, where it is going to go. Paper publishing is just a milestone, it's not a goal. You have to make sure whatever you are doing, whatever you are writing has a practical significance. Every single paper can become an agentic AI. Every single paper can become an app. Every single paper can become an optimization algorithm feeding into somebody else's app. Just make that system so that open system that you are ready to absorb any idea from anyone and give that idea to those people to fructify it into a usable item. If you are doing effort, better it be worth it. And that's what is the whole idea of these kind of congregations, that you meet each other, you form those alliances which can take you forward. Commercials will come, and I'll tell you, it's easier to work out commercials, but it's difficult to actually marry the technology. If you can marry the technology, you will be smart enough also to work out the commercials. I'm not saying it's not important. It's the most important. It's a driving factor. But make sure the technology and commercial factors get intertwined very well. And then only the economic growth will come in the country. Now, coming to the certain things that I wanted to talk about, I come from DRDO. My focus is on defense R&D. We are really seeking a lot of challenging problems from professors or from researchers primarily, and the students need to support that faculty which want to take our challenging problems. We do launch proactive problems which DRDO wants to solve with clear objectives, goals, and I want to say it not with a very great happiness that 12 problems that we launched, only one has been taken by the professors. So 11 are still pending on my website, wanting some courageous person to take over. And it is a multidisciplinary problem. Defense is not a single domain, it's not single dimensional. It's multidimensional, multidisciplinary, interdisciplinary, whatever you call them. I will just say this one line, Ekam Shastram Adhyono Na Vidyashastra Nishchayam. One science, a definite conclusion cannot be made by studying one academic subject. You have to really take up multiple disciplinary studies, thought processes, thinking, hard thinking to really achieve what you really want to achieve. And in this pursuit, we have 15 centers of excellence located at various IITs as well as IISCs, some central universities. They have been given about 82 verticals to actually pursue the research in those areas, whether it is advanced materials, whether it is your terahertz, whether it is imaging, quantum. All the fields are being opened for their defense applications to be taken up and propose the project so that they can be feeding into some of our defense systems going forward. A lot of effort is being going on. The governmentdrdo.com, that's the new website. Earlier it used to be drdo.gov.in. The government is making changes so fast, sometimes we are also not able to remember, but just because I browsed it, my website name itself is governmentdrdo.com. So you please have a look at it. A lot of information is available, a lot of openings are available for the professors to take up the problems, and behind these professors there's a force of students who can actually help them. Actually they are the real force, but it's only for the administrative reasons that we have to take the shield of teachers. They can manage their students better. So that is the kind of boldness, courageous thinking we are looking from all of you. Bring about bigger ideas. It's not easy, I'll tell you, it's not easy to think out of the box, and after thinking, making a prototype, taking to the industry, making it a reality is a big journey. And I'll tell you, other than you, nobody else can do it. You all have the energy, age is with you, the environment is with you, everybody is ready to invest in all the good ideas. It's for you to take it. The other part I wanted to highlight a bit is that for every project today that we are giving to the institutes, in each projects we are giving student internships, paid student internships, and also we are giving the paid money to organize the hackathons. So if you take a project, you are not just taking the project, you are marrying the DRDO itself. We come in, review it every month, overcome the bottlenecks. DRDO scientists come and interact with you. We open up our facilities to you. We nurture your students along with you so that they get some kind of internship and encouragement. We help you organize hackathons and papers, publication, patents. We are well oiled. We are way above most of the countries in the world. So let it continue, but it's now time to do innovation. It's now time to do something which is useful, which can be productionized, which can be developed by the country. We have taken very ambitious projects in neuromorphic computing, ICME for the naval materials, the genome material project which you talked about. It's just going to be sanctioned. 40 PIs, 22 PIs, 40 crores project. The job is to make an AI based platform to invent new materials which are lighter than the current materials that are being used for the ships. So there are cases, like I can go on and on with a lot of cases that we are doing, but I just wanted to give a glimpse that do think, do dream, and make these dreams possible, because all the facilities are available to realize these dreams. Somewhat everybody faces hurdles. It's not that US it's better or Europe it's better. All the hurdles will come, but if you are decided to overcome it, the way is yours. Thank you very much. A very good job by all the organizers, the NIT itself. Congratulations to the entire faculty, all the organizers, student participants who have contributed to this conference. This is just the starting probably. Do it better, do it bigger next time. All the best.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for your inspiring address and for sharing your vision for future technologies. We now proceed to the certificate distribution and felicitation ceremony, where we recognize the remarkable contributions of participants, organizers, and volunteers who have made TEMSMAT 2025 a success. May I request Dr. N. Ranjana ma'am to kindly present the token of appreciation to our organizing committee members. Professor Dr. Hitesh Sharma, Registrar, NIT Delhi. Shri Yatindranath Tarikere, Conference General Co-Chair. Professor Dr. M. Devnathan, Technical Program Committee Chair. Dr. Anurag Singh, General Chair. Now I request Professor Dr. M.N. Huda to kindly present the token of appreciation. Dr. Anmol Ratna Saxena, Conference Secretary. Dr. Dandapani Vaidyanathan, TPC Co-Chair. Dr. Prashant Kumar, Local Organizing Committee Chair. Mr. Subhash Yadav, Organizing Committee Member. Dr. Gautam Kumar, Publication Committee Co-Chair. Dr. Vipin Pal, Organizing Committee Member. Dr. Manisha Singh, Organizing Committee Member. Dr. Anidev Singh, Organizing Committee Member. Mr. Puneet, Organizing Committee Member. Mr. Love Dubey, Organizing Committee Member. Ms. Manisha Babbar, Organizing Committee Member. Now I request Professor Dr. Manjuwala to kindly present the token of appreciation. Mr. Fakir Chand, Organizing Committee Member. Mr. Krishan Pal, Organizing Committee Member. Dr. Preeti Singh, Local Organizing Committee Chair. Dr. Praveen Bansal, Organizing Committee Member. Mr. Jay Thukral, Organizing Committee Member. Dr. Mahesh K. Singh, Organizing Committee Member. Dr. Ankur, Organizing Committee Member. Mr. Vikas Bhardwaj, Organizing Committee Member. I request our respected Director, Professor Dr. Ajay K. Sharma, to present the certificates to our session chairs. Professor Dr. Ujjwal Kumar Kalla, Dr. Shaili Sachdeva, Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar, Dr. Karan Verma, Dr. Amandeep Kaur, Dr. Harish Kumar, Professor Dr. Jyotish Malhotra, Dr. Rikmantra Basu, Dr. Ankur Nandal, Dr. Sandeep Kumar, Dr. Gyanendra Shearon, Professor Dr. Oppu Chandrasekhar, Dr. Amit Pratap Singh, Dr. Rohit Kumar Kalyar, Dr. Pooja Jain, Dr. Arif Hassan, Dr. Deepak Mishra, Dr. Madhurima Vasu, Dr. Mohit Agrawal, Dr. Hejibba John, Dr. Tirupati Raju Kanumuri, Dr. Sachin Singh, Dr. Navneet Garg, Dr. Manish Verma, Dr. Nisha Singh Chauhan, Dr. Prakash Garia, Dr. Gulab Saha, Mr. Manish Malik, I request Dr. N. Ranchna to kindly present the token of appreciation to our invited guest, Dr. Rajnikant Aluwalu. Mr. Sai Prashant Malelu. We begin with the certificate distribution to participants, recognizing their valuable research contributions and active involvement throughout the sessions of TEMSMAT 2025. May I request the participants to come forward as we announce their names.
Kashika Baranwal, Kriti Gupta, Ziva Anwar, Khushbu Gupta,
Other participants can collect at the reception. Congratulations to all our participants for your excellent research contributions and enthusiastic participation in this international conference. We now proceed to the highlight of this ceremony, the Best Paper Awards, which honor outstanding research and innovation presented during this conference.
Very good afternoon to everyone. So I take this immense pleasure to announce the Best Paper Awardees. So on behalf of the Technical Program Committee, so it's our privilege to declare the Best Paper under 6 different tracks. So let me start with the track number 1. The Best Paper Award, it goes to the title, A Novel Shade Tolerant PV Array Reconfiguration for Enhanced Energy Yield. So we request the authors Kashika Prem Prakash Vinod Kumar Yadav from Delhi Technological University. Please come forward to collect your certificates. Okay, fine. Okay. So next, award goes to analysis of flight fare data and fare prediction using machine learning. The authors are Dr. Ramakant, Ankit Goyal, Sanjeev Kumar Singh, Sanjeev Agarwal and Risham Mishra. And the next best paper award goes to study and analysis of FIR filter architectures for real-time applications. Sai Kiran, Anurag J, Dandapani Vaidyanathan, Manish Verma, Bajit Kumar, Preeti Verma from NIT Delhi. Please come forward. Yes, and the next paper titled Dynamic Modeling and Performance Analysis of PEM Electrolyzer Fuel Cell System for Sustainable Power Generations. And the authors are Shravan Jaisal and Anmol Ratna Saxena from NIT Delhi. And the best paper for track number 2 goes to optimized PID controller tuning using genetic algorithm for enhanced time domain performance. The author is from IIT Kanpur, Vivekananda Giri. Yeah, and for track 3, the best paper award goes to the performance enhancement using RIS in satellite networks. The authors are Hridesh Dixit, Aarti, Netaji from Netaji Subhash University of Technology, East Campus, Delhi. Okay. And the last, the track number 6, the best paper award goes to energy efficient dynamic error balanced approximate multiplier for real-time applications. The authors are Sahil Kumar, Anuraj, Dandapani Vaidyanathan, Manish Verma, Bajit Kumar and the Preeti Yadav.
Finally, we extend our heartfelt appreciation to our student volunteers, the silent pillars of this event, for their tireless support, coordination, and enthusiasm throughout the conference. Parvez Khan, Rajiv Jha, Ashish Kumar, Anmol, Ankit Kumar, Arun Kumar Singh, Krishal Prasad,
Heartiest congratulations once again to all our participants, awardees, organizing committee members and volunteers. Your combined efforts and spirit of collaboration have truly made IEEE TAMSMAT 2025 an event to remember. May I request all the dignitaries to kindly take their seats. As we approach the conclusion of this memorable conference, it is time to express our heartfelt gratitude to all making IEEE TAMSMAT 2025
Very proud moment for each one of us who gathered here.